Hello everyone! Thank you for being part of the planning process as we begin development of a new playground master plan for Arbor Hills Nature Preserve. Dunaway, a design consulting firm, has partnered with the City of Plano to provide professional services for playground and circulation enhancements. In our earlier presentation on site analysis and programming, we discussed essential features of the preserve and potential enhancements. Arbor Hills encompasses 200 acres of natural open space, offering hiking paths, mountain bike trails, orienting activities, and wildlife viewing spots. Our project site focuses on the playground located between the arrival parking area and the popular mountain bike trails to the southwest. For more details on the site's characteristics and initial programming ideas, please refer to our previous presentation via the provided link or QR code. At the conclusion of our previous presentation, we distributed a survey to gather feedback on favorite aspects of Arbor Hills, preferred playstyles, and reasons for visiting the preserve. We received valuable input, revealing that users appreciate the shade, diverse play opportunities, and seating options. Many expressed a preference for flexible play, which allows for creative interactions with play equipment and site elements. The primary reasons for visiting were identified as the nature trails and the playground. We are currently in the concept development phase of the master plan process. This presentation will cover potential programming and updates for playground amenities, trails, trees, shade structures, and wayfinding. The next step involves gathering input from key stakeholders and community members before advancing to the master planning phase. We have identified 6 categories for potential programming. In the playground and equipment category, we plan to upgrade existing equipment, introduce diverse play options, and improve surfacing. Trail improvements and additions will be made, along with proposed dark sky compliant lighting. We aim to preserve current trees while planting new ones for added shade. Existing structures will be enhanced or replaced to improve accessibility and function, and new structures may be added for further shade. Overall potential amenities will include dedicated stroller parking, accessible drinking fountains with pet bowls, benches, trash receptacles, and picnic tables. Additionally, signage will be proposed for wayfinding and educational purposes. As we move through the following concepts, please note that the images shown on each slide are not necessarily tied to that one concept, but rather to the overall place we are aiming to create. All the photos throughout the presentation cohesively generate the environment you all want to see at the Arbor Hills Nature Preserve playground. Concept A, Preserve, focuses on maintaining the existing pavilion, paths, and access points. The play area's equipment will be upgraded, but will stay in their current approximate locations. This option provides a minimal change to the playground area. Concept B, Reimagine, retains the existing shade structure while enhancing site circulation. A landscape buffer will be added around the new pavilion, providing additional shade and a soft boundary between spaces. Stroller parking will be situated between the pavilion and the 2 to 5 play areas for better accessibility and oversight. To the east, a new separate play spaces for ages 5 through 12 will be introduced. Additionally, the wildflower zone will be activated by placing active zones in paths nearby. Concept C, Create, focuses on establishing a central hub for arrival featuring new pathways and restructured play areas. A new pavilion will be centrally located and oriented north, surrounded by trees to enhance natural shade and privacy. The new 5 to 12 play area will be positioned to the east, while the 2 to 5 play area remains closer to the pavilion. Additional amenities include a second pavilion, stroller parking, a nature play area, and a lookout space facing northwest to the preserve. A comparison of the 3 concepts highlights their differences and similarities. Concept A preserves the spatial arrangement and flow around the playground. Concept B provides separate play activities that reimagine the user's experience, and Concept C reorganizes amenities to create a new playground destination that blends into the overall Arbor Hills Preserve experience. Now that you've been introduced to the proposed concepts, we would love to hear your feedback. After synthesizing any input we receive, our next steps will be to begin the master plan, where we develop the final master plan of the site. Please follow the link shown here or scan the QR code to be taken to an online survey where you can provide feedback on the 3 concepts presented. If you have any questions, please contact the City of Plano at the information shown below. We appreciate your input and we look forward to developing the master plan for the playground upgrades at Arbor Hills Nature Preserve.